How to start an online business with no money. 5 simple steps to success. Hey, this is Carl Stevens from healthwealth.buzz with the first of what will be a series of how-to and help videos for those who are thinking of starting an online business, with money or not, and related subjects such as marketing, SEO, making money online, social media, etc. Oh, and be sure to watch this presentation to the end because I'm going to show you how to get your hands on over $500 worth of free tools like cutting-edge software, plugins, training courses, and more, and free traffic. So please, stay tuned. Now, let's get started. If you're tired of your job or jobs and dreaming of starting your own business, but don't have a good idea of what to do or how to do it, then you're in the right place. In this vid, we're going to outline the 5 steps to getting an online business off the ground for nothing. Nada, niet, for free in other words. Before I continue, could you please give me a like? It will help me reach people who need this information. Thank you. Now, like many folks out there in the world today, you probably have a belief that starting a business takes money, a lot of money. And once upon a time, and not too long ago, this was pretty much the case. But these days, nothing could be further from the truth. Today, the internet makes it possible to do what was once nigh on to impossible. You really can start an online business with no money at all. My awesome free report entitled How to Start an Online Business with No Money, 5 Simple Steps to Success shows you how. This video gives you a quick overview of what's in the report, which I'll tell you how to get a bit further on, so please stay with me. Okay, this is all about free, but to be clear, it will help if you have some bucks to spend. Make sense? That being said, you really can get going in your new business without spending a single thin dime. It will just take some time, though probably not as long as you may think. As long as you have web access and a computer, which presumably you have since you're here with me, you're good to go. For real. Getting that new business off the ground isn't even that hard, though there are varying degrees of difficulty depending upon what business you choose to pursue. Seriously though, anybody can do it, and I have full confidence that you can too. To begin, let's look at the 5 steps you need to take in order to get your online enterprise off the ground. Here they are in short form. Step 1. Find a free business idea. The first stage of starting a business is to develop an idea. Consider selling your services, your stuff, or creating digital products. I go into a number of options and weigh the positives and negatives, so check it out. Step 2. Formulate a business plan. Once you have an idea for your business, the next step is to create a business plan. My report outlines your business goals, target market, and marketing strategy. It's really important to have one of these. Step 3. Choose a business name. Choosing a business name is an important step in starting your online business. Your business name should be memorable, easy to spell, and relevant to your business. I'll show you how to pick a great one. Step 4. Get online. You need some kind of web presence, but you don't need to spend money. WordPress is free and there are other options as well. Or better still, splurge for a domain and hosting. No matter how you do it, you want to grab leads too, and I'll point the way for you. Step 5. Validate your business idea. Before you invest time and money into your business, it's important to validate your business idea. Big corporations spend big money on this, and I'll show you how to do it guerrilla marketing style, fast and free. Rest assured that I go into the nitty-gritty and full details on all of the above in my report. Here's a quick look inside. How to start an online business with no money, 5 simple steps to success, will demonstrate to you that it is more than just possible to start an online business with no money. I like to say it's probable. Well, if you have the right information, that is. And I will show you the right information. Thousands, tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands have done this over the years, probably even millions. It requires hard work and dedication. But by following these steps, you can launch that online empire and work towards achieving your business goals and financial dreams. So, if that doesn't entice you enough, let me tell you about the free stuff I mentioned at the beginning. And hey, if you haven't done so already, please give us that like, okay? Subscribe if you'd like to see more great content like this, And if you really dig it, shares are greatly, enormously, gigantously appreciated. First, if you like this video overview of how to start an online business with no money, 5 simple steps to success, and you want to get it for free, then you need to head over to my site. Be advised that I may start charging for the report in the near future. It's a $34.95 value easily. So if you're interested and you want to be sure to get it for no cost, I suggest you go today. Second, when you visit our site, you'll also see other offers that should be of interest to anyone who's really serious about starting an online business, particularly with little or no money. These are proven, profitable programs that anybody can do. They're 110% Carl approved. Third, when you grab the report, you'll also be in line for over $500 worth of free bonuses, including valuable, useful free tools every week and high-quality free traffic every month. How cool is that? I've based this report on my over 30 years of experience in advertising and marketing and over 20 years working in the online space. If you're truly interested in getting an online business off the ground the right way, then How to Start an Online Business with No Money, 5 Simple Steps to Success will point you in the right direction. Thanks for staying with me till the end. Leave a comment if you've got questions, concern, or constructive criticism, and feel free to drop me a line anytime. Once again, I'm Carl Stevens of healthwealth.buzz. I'm a real guy, I'm here to help, and I wish you nothing but great success. Till next time, be epic.